So hi there guys, this is a test ride of a Ninja 300. It's not for me, don't worry, I'm not getting a 300. Testing this for my girlfriend because she's not old enough to test ride stuff yet. Two of the bikes I wanted to take today aren't available. I was going to take a Z800 and a Ninja 636 as well, but they've both been lent out to other Crescent stores. And now I'm waiting for these two.
Go on a ride, car.
Huh?
Go fucking ride it, my bike's not starting.
Not starting? Okay, so Aaron's having bike problems. This is really comfortable. It's unexpectedly comfortable. Clutch bites really late point though. God, this is manoeuvrable as. Sounds a little whiny though, if I'm honest. Hopefully I won't get any major bug splatter. It's a really decent bike from what I can tell straight away. Just taking it around the block to give Aaron a chance to bump start his bike. I can't see anything. Mirror's set wrong. It goes a bit more though. Feels really nice. I took out a CBR600RR the other day, and the day after that I took a R6 out, so I mean compared to those this is very, very light and manoeuvrable. Definitely need to adjust the mirrors though. I've done it again, every time I do that I get on another bike that isn't actually, you know, sorted out properly to ride, because everyone keeps moving stuff around, and as usual I forget to change the mirrors. It's supposed to be one of the first things you check, but oh well. Right, let's go and see if those guys are all sorted. They're trying to bump start Aaron's bike. So yeah, Aaron's bike's working now. I think the best option would be for him not to turn it off. That's better. So I can see where I'm going now. Hey! See what's behind me as well. This is a really, like I said before, it's really comfortable. And it's not really forceful either. I mean, the R6, if I was going to be critical about the R6, it would be that the seat, the design of the seat is slightly too high for my personal liking. Yeah, I mean there's a whole lot of weight. I mean I know the R6 is the most race bred bike out of the entire lot of the leading brands, but yeah, it's very brutal. It's just unrivaled for mid-range acceleration and everything else as well. That's what I found anyway. Third gear is amazing on the R6, and obviously you've got to bear in mind I'm used to a third gear that barely moves, so this is kind of nice. Thumba slapped his nuts. Nut slapper! They're screaming again. This is most pleasurable. Yeah, so I'll be at the Spicy 110 Portsmouth meet, 18th of May. I'll have my camera, hopefully. I managed to break my camera mount, borrowing Thornbus at the moment. That's the only reason why I'm able to film these test rides. Pain in the arse ordering things in when you don't really have the time to wait for them. Been a huge delay in any of my vlogging as well. I've been really busy working and so on and so forth, so I've not really had a lot of chance to sit down at the computer and do it and do anything. It includes on my gaming channel. So because I used to put at least a video up a day really on the gaming channel, but that's dropped back to sort of 2 or 3 a week because I haven't got time to actually do any. It's a pain in the arse. I wonder if they'll figure out we're going to the Shell. I think I've lost them. This is very relaxing. I'm glad I started with this one actually. It sort of introduced me today into the world of high performance biking. Obviously since riding the R6 on Thursday and the CBR on Wednesday, sorry, I have ended up going back on my 125, the CBF 125, which of course throws off any immediate experience really. I can't see them. I think they've gone to that BP, in which case I'm going to turn around and go back up that way. Although they might have gone the other way to the Shell, so I don't know. This is really nice. I can't even believe how nice this is to ride. I'm definitely going to be recommending this to my other half. These roads are bumpy. I'm apologising if my voice is going yeah. So I've used up 20 minutes already. That's assuming that clock's right. I took the R6 out for a freaking hour, which turned out to be an hour and a half because the clock, I was following the clock on the bike, and it was freaking half an hour slow, which is always fun. Not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty quick. Kind of nice. I like it kind of nice. It's not brutal. So it's relaxing. If you want a nice relaxing day and you can't bother to go 120, get one of these. Basically. Ah, you son of a bitch. It's a 50 up here. Yeah. Right, we go out the motorway, yeah? So I finally caught up with them. I say caught up, they finally caught up with me technically. Just trying not to lose them this time. It's going to be weird riding a bigger bike in a minute. I won't reveal it until I actually ride it.
There's sand all over my face, yo! There's sand all up in my face, yo!
There's sand in my fanny.
There's always sand in your fanny. So let's take this bitch on the motorway then, see what's happening. Damn average speed limit. Compressed lanes and all that bollocks. It's so much more comfortable being on a big bike on the motorway. I mean, I can actually do stuff. I can actually get out of a horrible situation if I need to. Which is kind of cool. Unfortunately, this is really the only route we can take that allows me to put this thing through any kind of pace. However, it's sick. This thing trundles nicely, it really does. Yep. So the verdict then, guys. I'm taking this back a little early, I must admit. The verdict is definitely buy one of these if you like ninjas and you can't afford the 600, the ZX-R or the 636 or whatever else, definitely buy one of these. And like I said, the 250 isn't going to be so different to this. So based on my experience of this particular bike, well, I can happily say even I want one. It's a lot of fun to ride around rather, and it's just generally quite nice. It looks awesome as well. So yeah, no problem here. It's a really nice bike.
Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, guys. Really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please comment, like and subscribe for more frequently regular content. By doing this, you'll also be supporting my channel, and please click the links on screen now to check out and subscribe to my other channels. Thanks a lot.